love is you. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Because by the Beatles on the ukulele. We'll be doing it on a low G string ukulele because that's the only way I figured out how to get closer to the original. So grab your low G string ukulele and let's go. Alright, what I'll teach you today is basically a tap, so I'm coming a little bit closer right now to go slowly through the whole thing. Alright, so we start with the chord of C sharp minor, but we are grabbing it with the G minor shape, and up here with the pointing finger on the 6th fret, okay? So what I'm doing is from G string going down, then up, and here the pinky goes to the 9th fret, C string again, and one more time the same thing. Okay. And then the harmony goes to D sharp 7 flat 5. Basically, I'm grabbing here the middle finger on the 8th fret, ring and pinky on the 9th fret of the C and E string, and the pointing finger on the 6th fret of the A string, okay? All right, and then I slide the middle finger, okay? And the pointing is here on the 6th fret of the C string this time. All right, so let's see what we have so far. Okay, and after that we go to G sharp with the bass of D sharp. Okay, basically the E chord, you can grab it like this with 3 fingers, or like this. I'm bending right here my ring finger so the A string is open, and I'm holding it with the pointing finger. Okay, and then really quickly G sharp to C, and then grabbing here the A, but like this. Okay, with the pointing finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, avoiding the C string in the beginning, and then on the E string 5th, A string 4th, and with the pinky, and then we move the middle finger. Okay, so just this bar. To C sharp minor, and again with the pinky. All right, and here it actually changes a little bit from the original because we just don't have enough strings, but basically we're doing A7 to A6, all right? And then the D chord, and then D diminished. All right, so that's the main thing. Let's go through it slowly. And with a little bit of tempo. and just where the break comes, we grab F sharp with the pinky. Love is all, love is you. And here, G sharp 7. And I'm doing this open E string to 2nd fret with the hammer on. Well, pretty much this sums it up. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. It will help you learn faster. You can get it in the link in the description. And I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.